Hey YouTube, I'm back and I've got another unboxing for you. This time it's yet another collaboration between Nike SB and Ishod Wair. Shall we go look? Hey YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here. If you're new to this channel, we tend to do sneaker unboxings and we stream sneaker news on Sundays and other things about sneakers. As you could tell from my intro, we've got another unboxing here. This is yet another collaboration, SJ on Sneaker Cam, between Ishod Wair and Nike SB. Shall I do it? Let's do it. Let's speed up. Probably people, camera 2, about now. It's always satisfying to just slip that knife down the front, get those boxes open. But before we do this, let's do the usual state of things. SJ there. So these are an SB Zoomer Blazer Chukka XT QS. We all know what the QS is, quick strike. They are a US 11.5. That makes them a UK 10.5 down there. They are Sale University Red White. Coded AR5410161. Yes, they are. I bought these from Note up in Manchester, I think, for £84.95 of your English pounds. Sorry, your British pounds, which was still European pounds, kind of. Let's get back to this. So people, standard teal box, nothing special about the paper, so we're just gonna get these out. Nothing in here. Oh, hello, there's already something interesting. Let's get rid of the box. First of all, camera 1. In fact, not you. You're always getting the love. Camera 2. Look at that. I'm just going to spin these around. The first thing that everyone's going to go, what, they're Blazers? Yes, they are Blazers, but they're the Blazer Chukka. What does that mean, SJ on Sneaker Cam? That means that rather than the Blazer, which is normally comes up to there, they're basically sliced off, just so your ankle bone sort of sits around here and they're sliced off there. So what can we say? Well, first of all, this is yet another collaboration between Ishod Wair and Nike SB, and actually he dropped his latest video for these. It was the Back to BS. I'll let you work out what that is. What I wanted to just, we've got a lace bag. We've actually got a lace bag. We've got a Nike SB lace bag here. That's quite nice, isn't it, SJ? It's a nice touch. We've got also, these are different laces. I'm trying to get the paper out and get rid of that there, just so I can loosen these off a bit, because they are factory laced within an inch of their life, and I want to actually have a proper look at these. As is all the rage at the moment with SB, it is their camera 1. He says I'm doing these laces. These are slightly deconstructed. Take a look at that. So that sail color, that colorway, that white, that sail really is nice on these. So I'm spinning these round, and so so this is the right shoe, and so SJ, come in close, quick. On the heel unit, on the heel unit, we've got Ishod there in a university red and black stitch, and then on the heel there, obviously it's a much reduced heel tab. So actually a really soft leather, soft white, really white leather, super white leather. We've got university red stitched Nike. The first thing to note about these, they are the XT model as well. So that means that on the toe box, you've got that additional protection of that rubber piece just wrapping around on the top. Now originally when I saw this type of shoe, camera 2, I didn't really feel it. But then I wore some the other week and I'm absolutely loving this additional detail at the moment. I'm really, really feeling it. I want to talk about this nubuck. This is nubuck here. It's really soft. It's like, this is like an old pair of gloves that you've worn for like years. Unfortunately, you can't see the nap moving backwards and forwards. But if you could come in close, camera, Sneaker Cam, and if you can imagine everyone just stroking these, like let's just stroke them casually there, like that's so soft. Other thing to note, swoosh is actually perforated holes in. So like, can you see that, SJ? Camera 2, I'm gonna bring that up to you. Can you see that? Can you see what stunning model that is? Also, for the deconstructed look, the tongue is kind of got the foam exposed, as you'd expect. That sort of nubuck there on the inside is quite interesting. That's a really soft, it's verging on a chamois leather in there. I don't know if that translates in the US, but it's sort of one of those leather cloths that you use to to take the water off your car. We call it a chamois leather in the UK. Pretty sure you probably call it that in the US, as we tend to speak the same language, but it's got that kind of feeling on the inside as well. There's not a lot of padding on the inside of that, so have a look. Yeah? Have a look at that, camera one. There's not a lot of padding in there. Let's get the inner sole so you can see it, and I'm still on the right shoe at the moment. So inner sole, University Red on the inside, standard heel unit there, sorry, standard zoom heel unit. Ishod, obviously written there. We'll put that back in, and I'm just gonna whip you. I wanted to see what was on the left shoe, and you've got Ishod on the heel unit as well. I wasn't sure if it was gonna say where. Right, my flow just went off there. SJ pointed out that there's a big mark on the side of these. I think it can brush out, but let's look at the soles. Let's look at the soles as well. Like, he has literally put his name all over these shoes. Like, look at that. You get that? You get that? Look at that. Look at that, camera two. It's like, I'm definitely not forgetting that this is the Ishod Wair collaboration. I think the other thing you want to note, obviously he's one of their team riders. Look on the tongue, SJ. Got that? Got his name underneath the Nike SB. I think the other random note, and this is more for just people who like to know where the labels are and stuff on their shoes. Normally this is on the inside. It's actually on the bottom there. Like, you can actually, look at that, look at that. Look at that, look at that. I've run you round these. I was really excited for these to come. So excited because the weather here in the UK has been absolutely amazing. Over 30 degrees Celsius, which is in the high 80s Fahrenheit. These arrived. What is it doing today? It's absolutely chucking it down with rain. We have got rain, 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 and these are not going outside in the rain. If that's summer over in the UK, I'll probably put these up for next year. Next summer, SJ. Another pair of bone white Chukkas. These are so nice, so, so nice. So people, if you're new around these parts and you like what we're doing and you haven't subscribed by now, if you could give a subscribe, which is just somewhere down there, we'd truly appreciate it. And to all of our usual subscribers, everybody who has subscribed, everyone who has commented, everyone who is involved with the streams on Sunday nights, which is at 8 PM UK time, 3 PM on the Pacific, on the East Coast, and that's about 12 lunchtime on the Pacific Coast. A massive thank you to everybody. Really, really do appreciate it. It is amazing. We are on the way to SJ's target over there on Sneaker Cam. Should hit that soon, I hope. And you never know what we might do for that. We might have a little party. SJ, do you fancy a little party for hitting 1,000 subs? Yeah, if you want to give us a like down there, somewhere down there. If you want to know when we're uploading, it's generally Tuesdays and Thursdays, stream on Sundays, as I said. If you definitely want to be part of that notification crew, don't forget to smash the notification bell just down there. It does kind of work. I get alerted from all the people that I've smashed that notification bell for. So yeah, until next time, people, which will be soon, we'll see you in the next video. See ya. Look at these, everyone.